go.
Family affair. Tilling is doing. Hi Harmony. She's doing.
That's
Fanny
fine.
Head is doing. Learn Harmony. I'm jingling.
This is the whole intro part. Yep.
Let's get it crunk up, all have fun up, all up in this dancery. We got you open, now you're floating. Got to dance for me, don't need no hateration, holleration. In this dancery, let's get it percolating while you're waiting. So just dance for me. Get on up, cause you know you have to get it crunk. Mary J in the spot tonight, and I'ma make you feel alright, make you feel alright. Come on, baby, just party with me. Let loose, set your body free. Leave the situations at the door, so when you step inside, jump on the floor. Let's get it crunk up, all that fun up, all up in this dancery. We got you open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolating while you wait. Oh, it's only gonna be about a matter of time before you get loose, start to lose your mind. Copy your drink, go ahead and rock your eyes, cause they're celebrating no more drama in our lives. The J-Track pumping, everybody's jumping. Go ahead, push your back, get your body bumping. I told you leave your situations at the door, so grab somebody and get your
That's enough, eh? Let's all look there at the same time. Ready? 3, 2, 1.